Meet the Purcell S500 at cutting perfected. Automatic built-in camera positioning technology, fast automatic cutting, no positioning marks. Easy to cut cardboard, PVC board, cardboard leather, reflective materials, transparent materials, etc. Cutting speed up to 700 millimeters per second, cutting accuracy up to plus or minus 0.1 millimeters high-end paper rubbing steel thorns, ensuring the stability of paper cutting and paper moving precision. 4.3-inch smart touchscreen for intuitive operation, simple and friendly. High compatibility compatible with SignMaster and CorelDraw software.